What's up, people? This your boy Mike Lana from Hot Atlanta. We about to have a good day today, as they say. We about to have a good day today. So it's another great morning. Still here in Florida. Just woke up, had to use the bathroom, had to do my daily morning routine before I leave. I'm actually about to leave from out of here, and I'm about to go to, where am I going? I'm going to Tampa, which is right over there. Going to Tampa, and then from there, I make my way to Georgia, I believe. But look at this view. I had to wake up, take me a walk, look at the view. Gives me a little energy for the day. The tide is really low, as you can see right there. At nighttime, the water comes up pretty much to where that green moss, where the green moss is. It used to come up to right here, actually. But yeah, these tides, every lake I go to, I swear, every lake that I pass, the water's always low, and it's getting lower and lower. And it's crazy. It's that global warming for you. All right, well, I'm about to hit this pre-trip. I'm about to hit this road. We're gonna drop this load. Let's go. Okay, so we are in this little small downtown little lot here. So what we're going is to this place called West Rock. About to drop off these heavy rolls of paper. And what's cool is the West Rock is right next to Florida orange juice place. I forgot the name of it. What is the name of that place? Well, we about to pull up here in a second, but it's where they make the orange juice, Tropicana. I think it's Tropicana. Let's see what we got here. It'll come to me, so I'm about to see it in a second. It's gonna come to me. Crazy how you have they make the orange juice, and you got West Rock right next to them. Tropicana, that's the name of it. But you got West Rock right next to them. So, their labels is like right next door. If they need some labels made, all their paper products, right next door. Tropicana. Okay. gonna back that trailer on up. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. So, they go through this tight turn. Alright, so we got a bunch of train tracks. I mean, this place stays pretty busy, as you can see. It looks like it's about 1,000 things going on here. But I've delivered here plenty of times. Never really had an issue. I know one I did was a little mix up with the delivery, as far as I think it was on a Saturday, I believe. Oh no. I had came, they stopped accepting deliveries at like 2 o'clock. I got here at 4. Or 3, I don't know. I wasn't that far. I wasn't too late. But yeah, he couldn't unload me. So I didn't have no choice but to wait. I had to sit on the load. But the only good thing that worked out is, with that whole situation, I had to take a reset anyway, so it kind of worked out because I was running off of recaps. And I hadn't taken a reset in a minute. I gotta make a U-turn here. See if I got the room. Check in. Alright, got my paper handy. Now we about to find out where to check in. All these crates right here. Go through this door here. Alright, so I just checked in. We gotta go to the dock all the way over there in the corner. That's the dock we gotta go to. Smells like burnt oranges. Alright, time to open up these doors. Open up the doors. Open up the doors. Alright. That paper load. Alright. I forgot my scissors. Man, these scissors right here. I'd rather cut it with some scissors, but gotta use that Superman strength. Hey, look at that. That boy got that strong muscle. Big rolls of paper. Big rolls of paper. This stuff weighs a ton. Woo! Alright, so we back in the truck. I gotta wait. Got the guy right there behind me. As soon as he pulls out, I pull right in. You could tell this factory been here for quite some time. Man. It's all rusty and stuff. Alright. As soon as this guy pulls out, we're gonna pull in and we're gonna keep it moving. Alright. Alright, so just dropped off the load that I had over there near Tampa. About to pick up this load over here in Lakeland, Florida. And I'm gonna take this load to Georgia. Take this load to Georgia. Has to be there in the morning. It's not too far. About a good 5-hour drive. But once again, it's not gonna be a long day for me. Probably drive for like 2 hours or something. And do the rest tomorrow, but I'm going to this recycling place. I don't know if y'all saw my last video. It's the same place. The last 2 times that I've been here, it's been some issues. The first time, the load wasn't ready, so she had to. They didn't have the material. Okay, so same place. I picked the load from the same place. And that load was actually going to a place I was trying to go. I was trying to go home. And that was taking me right to where I needed to be. The first one that wasn't ready yet was taking me to Riceboro, Georgia, which is where I'm taking this one. But yeah, that was and then what happened was, you know, I guess they boss said I gotta take the first one. But I'm like, well, my company already canceled that load because y'all said it wasn't ready and they gave me this new one and I want to take this new one. And the lady's like, well, she said you gotta take the first one. I said, what? I said, so you telling me, like y'all making me take the first one? It's canceled, they can't, you know, they already gave me a new one that's ready. So why don't y'all just let me pick up the new one? She's like, no, they said you got to pick up the one you came for. I'm like, what? I said, y'all killing me. I said, so you telling me that if another driver with the same company came up and gave you that load number, you're going to tell him that you can't load me? You can't load him because you got to load me with the load, but it's the same company. Well, I was pissed. So the second time, which I think I was there in my last video, or the one before that, she said she kept emailing the company and the load was pushed back to the next day. So obviously some communication had went wrong there, so I couldn't pick up the load. So now I'm back. And hopefully things go smooth today. I hope things go smooth, so I can keep it moving. Because I told myself it's gonna be a good day today. See what they got for me. And then if this one ain't ready, they had another one coming out this same spot. Only thing with, I didn't choose that one because it couldn't be picked up till tomorrow. So we about to see here. They know me by now. Since I came here plenty of times. Let's hope for the best. Turn up in here. Recycling center. You throw it away, it ends up right back in your house. So remember to recycle. All right, let's walk up in here and see what they talking about. All right, so I just checked in and I guess this load is ready. That's what I'm talking about. So we gotta pull up on this scale. This fly just won't get out of the truck. All right, y'all, so I'm here getting picked up. Had to change my shirt, but I'm here picking up this load. It went through. It went through, baby. Last 2 times I had issues here. Hey, but we about to keep this thing rolling. So I think last time I showed y'all what I was eating for dinner. So yesterday I had salmon, and that thing was good. Today we gonna go with a little bit of steak. Let me see what I got here. We're gonna go with the steak, the sirloin. Man, this is so good. Like you gotta get some sirloin, some steak, some what they call it, the other kind of steak. My mind is just blown. I can't think of it. Whatever it's called. The steak with the bacon wrapped around it. This is kind of similar. Filet mignon. Filet mignon. Filet mignon. Man. So, but this is sirloin. I guess it's the same thing. I don't know. But you cook this boy. I like my steaks. I like my steaks medium well. I like a little red in it. Just a little bit of blood coming out. I don't like it well done. Well done just sucks. It does. Well done sucks. The meat's all hard. It's too rough. And I said I was going to get myself a haircut yesterday. Definitely going to do it today, though. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Got a little Mount Everest going on right there. But I got to get the clippers out and clean myself up a little bit. 37 years old. And this is all I got. I'm not cutting it either. I'm not cutting it. I'm going to see how much I can grow. But they're going to load me. We're going to sit here. Usually they're pretty fast. And then we're going to hit the road. So let's go.